Hi, today we're going to go through the top 5 iPhone tricks that I bet you didn't know, and I'm going to walk you through step by step exactly how to do each one. So let's jump into it. Number 1 is emergency bypass, and what this trick will do is if your phone is on vibrate, you can set family members, anyone you want through contacts to be able to still hear their phone call even when your phone's on vibrate. Let me show you how to do that. Click on phone. Click on contacts, pick a person, click edit in the top right, and then go down to ringtone. Instead of default, turn on emergency bypass, and even when your phone is in silent, you'll get this person's phone call. Okay, it's time for number 2, and this one was so popular. It's how to make your own ringtones for free. Let me show you how to do it. Click on GarageBand. From here, click the plus microphone, click OK, click these squares at the top, click this loop button, click music, click your song, hold down on the song you want, it'll put it in there, pick the part of the song, you can squeeze it by bringing your thumbs together that you want. From here, click the down arrow, put it in My Songs. Now it'll save. Once it's saved, hold down on it, slide down, click share, pick ringtone, continue, export. To access your ringtones, click on settings, go down to sounds and haptics, go down to ringtone, and if you scroll to the top, there's your song. Pick it, and you have a new ringtone. Okay, time for number 3, and this one could actually save your life. I definitely recommend you share this one with family members. And it's by pressing just one button, you can send your location to anyone in an emergency. Let me show you how to do it. Hold down the map button, and you can instantly send your location to anyone you want. If you like all of these iPhone tips and iPhone tricks, then you can head right up here to this playlist, and I have a lot more of them that you can check out. You can also just click on playlist from the home channel. Okay, it's time for number 4. And this strikes a chord with a lot of people because it has to do with privacy on your iPhone. And you're gonna probably be a little bit surprised how many of the apps that you use actually have access to your microphone. So let me show you how you can check that and turn those off. Click on settings, click on privacy, go down to microphone. These are all of the apps that are using your microphone. Turn them off if you don't use them for more security and privacy. Number 5, and this one might scare you just a little bit, but it's also good to know. Yes, our phones do track us, and they will actually show you exactly where you've been. So I'm going to run you through how you can see where you've been, and then also, most importantly, how you can turn this feature off. Okay, you're going to go into your settings, scroll down until you see privacy, click on that, go to location services, click there, and then you're going to scroll all the way to the bottom and click system services, and then from there go to significant locations. Once you do that, there is everywhere that they've been, and if you click on that, it'll even tell you the days and times that they've been there and how many times. I posted these 5 videos on my TikTok channel over the past year, and combined with these 5 videos, they've gotten over 41 million views just on these 5 tips. So a lot of people didn't realize these exist. I'd love it if you hit that like button. Also, if you like the content of this video, hit that subscribe button. And once again, thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.